Something you should know about me is that if my trade's about to hit my take profit, I'm closing that shit the second it starts looking like it's not going to hit. I don't give a fuck if I closed early and broke my rules. Let me show you why. Equal highs here on gold, all-time highs as well. This was my final TP. We came up here, started rejecting it, all of a sudden just started dumping out of nowhere, so I closed my trade right there. Look what happens, bro. We never hit them. And I would have been stopped out of break even. The same shit happened to me yesterday on NQ. We had those data lows, and 3 times we couldn't take them. So you know what I did? I closed my fucking trade. I would much rather hit TP with a little bit less profit than I had wanted than to reverse all the way back to my break even. Because you know what that's going to do? That's going to make me crash the fuck out. Almost guaranteed.
That's such a real video. That's such a real video. The only thing I don't like about it is, like, if you're that deep into profit, why would you not move a stop loss and trail a little bit so your break even's irrelevant? You're going to make a little bit of profit. Like, you know, let's not hold all the way back down to break even. Let's take the risk off and systematically take a little bit of piece of the pie. But that's one of the realest videos I've ever seen. I mean, he's so right. I do the same shit. If there's a psychological level, major support and resistance level, like any kind of SNR that's close to my TP, I'm snagging 10 to 12 points above it if it's a drop, or 10 to 12 points below it on NQ if it's a dump. Absolutely, because these are zones. People always think it's a hard number or a hard level. It is, but it's not. It's a zone, because that's why, if you want proof of that it's a zone and not a hard number, look at the candlesticks on different time frames. Why do they not line up when you draw like a horizontal line or a trend line on the daily? When you zoom into the 1 minute, why does it not line up? Well, it's because that zone of candle is different. So